Namaste, you all. You are listening to Sasaheli. I'm your host, Chitra Sharma, and I'm so glad you're here. This is a space where creativity, ideas, life experiences, and technology come together to inspire and connect people from all walks of life. Today, let's talk about the elephant in the technology world, AI, a technology that is changing the way people create, learn, work, and share their thoughts with the world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has suddenly become one of the most talked about things in the world. Everywhere people are saying AI will replace jobs, AI can create movies, write articles, think like humans. And sometimes people say these days everyone is making websites, means using AI and all. But the truth is, not everyone does it. Only those people step forward who truly want to create something, express their ideas, and reach others with their vision. And every new technology gives people a new voice, and AI is becoming one of those tools that can help ideas travel further and faster than ever before. For many people, AI looks like some magical new invention that appeared overnight. But the reality is a little different. Means AI is not magic, and in many ways, it is not completely new either. For years, software engineers and developers have already been building smart systems by writing code line by line. Computers were always following instructions created by humans. The difference here is uh, that many of these instructions and repetitive tasks are becoming automated. Earlier, if someone wanted software to recognize a face, edit a photo, translate language, or answer questions, engineers had to manually write large amount of logic and code, and it required a lot of development and testing. Today, AI tools can learn pattern from massive amount of data and help perform many of these tasks automatically and much faster. So the word data is important here. Data, whatever you call, and your presence is important on this internet, which means whoever controls it or defines the data has power. And here AI feels revolutionary. And one important thing people often forget is this: AI still needs humans. Someone still has to guide it, test it, improve it, and use it properly. If you want to work in technology, coding and development skills are still extremely valuable. In fact, AI has become like a powerful assistant for developers. Instead of spending hours writing repetitive code, developers can now focus more on creativity, design, ideas, and solving bigger problems. A skilled engineer using AI can work much faster than before. And for people who are not very tech savvy, AI can still become a wonderful helper in their life. Means today people are using AI to improve photographs, create artwork, write letters and articles, generate music, videos, learn languages, start small businesses, um, design invitation posters, organize work and studies. So someone who never wrote code before can now create a simple website or digital product with the help of AI tools. This is opening door for creativity everywhere, and AI is not meant to stop people from thinking or creating. It is meant to help people move faster. As before, like engineers worked on massive computers using punch cards. My computer teacher once mentioned that they would submit their programs at night and wait until the next morning just to see whether the compilation had succeeded or failed. And computers were way means larger like a room. So, and yes, yeah, I'm talking about Rekha madam, Rekha ji, if my classmates are listening. So from those early days, we have came a long way, from machine language to programming languages like COBOL, Fortran, C, C++, Java, and from manually writing every line of code to now interacting with computers almost like a normal conversation through it is, yeah, normal conversation through AI prompts. So it is true that AI is impacting people's lives in a major way, it feels like we are living through another big technological transition in human history, you can say. But still, AI will not end human creativity. Instead, it can give wings to people who already have ideas, dreams, skills, and imagination. The most exciting part is not that AI can do everything. The exciting part is that everyone can now try things that once needed a big company, expensive software, tools, or an entire technical team. If you have never tried it, you can start small. Maybe by updating an old image, creating a poster, making a short video, then building a website, and one day perhaps creating an entire platform or business. Means technology keep changing, but one thing remains the same. Human imagination is still the real engine behind every invention. So go ahead, experiment, learn, create. Technology will keep changing. Machines will become faster and smarter. But it is human creativity, emotions, and imagination that will continue to move the world forward. AI is a tool, not something to fear, but something to understand and use in the right direction. So keep learning, keep creating, and keep giving your dreams new wings. There is one slok in Sanskrit. Vidya dadati vinayam, vinyayati patratam, patratvat dhanamapnoti, dhanat dharma tata sukham. True knowledge cultivates humility, humility develops character and worthiness, worthiness and prosperity, prosperity, when guided by righteousness, leads to lasting happiness. I'm Chitra Sharma, and you are listening to Sasaheli Podcast, where creativity, technology, and inspiration come together. See you again with new ideas, new story, and new inspiration. Thank you and Ram Ram.